Hello friends, welcome to Bhavesh ki Pathshala. What if I tell you that a simple tiny AI model on your phone can compete a very large models? It seems like impossible, right? But after watching this video, you believe that a tiny models can perform a good. Okay, so what is our philosophy is bigger model have better AI, but this is a totally outdated by introducing from the most intelligent models Gemma 4 from the Google, and this is built for the reasoning task, built for the agentic task, and built for the edge devices like mobile. So let's start. The core idea of this model is based on the intelligence per parameters and how we are defining the efficiency of any models, which is how intelligence each parameters are performing. So in this arena AI leadership board, you can see the gamma 4 31 billion parameters and gamma 4 26 billion parameter A4B, which is outperforming other open source models. Now let me show you why this is a big deal, because these models are divided into four different types. The first is the pocket power, which is E2B, effective 2 billion parameters, which is a mobile first architecture. You can run this model on your phone. There is no internet is required, there is no delay, it is ultra fast and ultra light, built for this mobile devices kind of things, and there is a zero cloud dependency. IoTs and embedding devices can using this kind of models to make a intelligence device. So in this video I will show you a live demonstration on downloading E2B and E4B to demonstrate how it will perform very fast. It can understand the text, it can understand the images, it can understand the audio, and also I can show you the agentic skills. So don't skip this video. The live demonstration is really good. The second is the E4B models, which is based on the voice brain. It is a real-time voice assistant kind of applications. This is also a multi-language voice models, right? So I will also show you in the live demonstration for this model as well. The third is a mixture of expert 26 billion parameters for the smart efficiency. Only small part of the models can perform the task, so there is lower computing cost because these consume a lower token. Ultimately it reduce the cost and performance will be increased. Last but not the least, this is the fully intelligence model, which is 31 billion parameters, which is the built for the deep reasoning task, research level task, and most advanced task. Scientific research you can create on these models. So this is a globally 3 ranked based on that arena leadership boards. So AI is no longer bigger models, it's about a smarter models. Yes, it is not a related to the bigger models, but it is related to the smarter models, right? So I will show you the head-to-head comparisons. You can see the gamma 4 and gamma 4 26 billion parameters and 31 billion parameters only can compete Queen, which is almost 400 billion parameters, GPT OSS 120 billion parameters, Mistral large models, which is 600 billion parameters. It is outperform in these models, right? So this is what the power of tiny models compared to these larger models. Other things what gamma 4 can do, it built for the agentic kind of workflow, multimodal listening, multi-language, fine-tuning with your own data, and efficient for the architecture. You can run on your own hardwares and it is very easy. I will show you in the demonstration right now. Okay, if I'm talking about the licensing, it's a open source models. It's a Apache 2.0 license, which is one of the most permissive open source license in existence, and which is a good things for the startups, for the developers, and for the other enterprise. What it means that it means you can use it commercially, you can build and sell the products, you can modify these models based on, you can also fine tune with your own data, you can redistribute, there is no permission is required. So this is a very good things. Now let's deep dive into the live demonstration. In this live demonstration, I will download the E2B means effective 2 billion parameters and E4B means effective 4 billion parameters on my mobiles, and I will show you how this model perform with the text, with the images, with the audio and agentic skills. So let's start. Hello friends, now let's see the demonstration. So first you need to install Google AI Edge Gallery from the Play Store. So how you can do that? So go to the Play Store and search for Google AI Edge Gallery. Okay, so this is the applications you need to install in your mobile. I have already installed, so it is showing the open in your mobile. If you not install, it is showing the install. So let me open these applications. So you once you are open these applications, you will see there are different sections like AI chat, agent skills, ask images, audio scribe, right? So we will see step by step. So let me first go to the AI chat. So let me click on that AI chat interface. Now here you can see that you can chat the LLM models on your device. So what you need to do, you need to install the Gemma for E2B. E2B means effective 2 billion parameters. I have already installed in my devices, so it is showing the try it button. But in your devices, the download button will be displayed. So click on download and it will install in your devices. It is hardly 2.5 GB, and you can also download Gemma for E4 billion parameters model. It is also only 3.6 GB. So I have downloaded both of the models in my mobiles. Now let me show you the step by step instruction, the power of on devices, the Gemma 4 models. Okay, so let me click on E2 billion parameter and try it. So once you click on try it, on the top of side you can see Gemma 4. You can see the Gemma 4 2 billion parameters. Right now the model is already loaded in my devices. So let me ask hi. The model will connect and then it will give me the reply. Okay, you can also see the speed, how fast it is responding. So let me ask one more question. Write an essay on importance of tree for fifth standard student in 150 words. Okay, so I have given a prompt, write an essay on importance of tree for 5th standard students in 150 words. So let me just press on it. So you can see how fast it is generating the contents. So the importance of tree. So based on the prompt, it will generate the outputs. It's running in my local, in my mobile devices. Amazing, right? And it is 100% open source models, multi models. I will show you live demonstration later. So this is what the simple chat models. Now I will show you the power of multi models. Like, so there is a option like ask image. So this is ask image. So what I will do, I will use the 4 billion parameters models and I will take a picture and then I will show you the live demonstration. So let me try it. It will initialize this model and let me take a picture. Okay, so once the model will be initialized, I will take the pictures and the picture will describe what are the things available in the image. Okay, so let me click on take picture and then let me take these images. Let me go to Twitter. Okay, this is the picture I am taking. It have different objects. Let me click on that. Okay, after clicking, explain this image, simple prompt, and see how it is look like. it will figure out each and every objects in the pictures like TV, watch, everything it will display. Now it will start explaining. This image appears to be photograph of modern minimalist interior space, likely a living room on a media area. Okay, the detailed breakdowns. Wall clock. On the top left wall there is a round analog wall clock, bright orange or yellow face and black marking. It is also highlighting the lamp, right? It is also fetching the TV. It is not only fetching the TV, it is also fetching the brand as well, Samsung models. It is also shows some speakers are also connected, cablings, media hub, everything, right? So this is how this model is responding to the images, right? On the bottom left corner there is a furniture, little visible camera, chair kind of things. Okay, so while taking the photo it is showing like this only. So this is the how the AI model can describe the images. Now let me show you one more thing for the audio subscribe. So you can see the power of audio. So what in this I will do, I will record my voice and the model will describe the my audio. So let me again go to the Gemma for effective Boolean parameters. Let me try it and I will ask through audio. So what I will do, I will ask little bit about the attention all you need paper, regarding paper, and it will explain me. So let me record my audio clip. So when you click on record audio, you will see a green mic icon. Once you tap on that, and then you will start recording, and make sure that the audio size will be 30 seconds only. So whatever I speak in 30 seconds, it will be summarize this. Not only summarize, it will also convert in other language. I will show you in demonstration. Okay, so let me record my audio. So this is a paper related to the attention all you need, which is in 2017 the Google has published, which is based on the transformer architecture. These have two models, two blocks, encoder and decoders. Encoder using the understand your input as a sequence, and decoder are using the neural network to find the patterns. It has multi-head attention and feed forward. Thank you. Okay, this is what I have given this recording. Now I will tell them summarize this and see how the models of 4 billion this simple 4 billion parameters, which is loaded in my mobile phone and working on multimodal. It understands the text, it understands the images. Now let me show you the audio as well. So how this is that summarize this audio that I was recorded. The paper all attention is all you need 2017 by Google introduced the transformer architecture. This architecture consists of two main components, an encoder and a decoder. The encoder processes the input sequence while the decoder uses neural network to identify the patterns. And the key features of the transformer includes multi-head attention and feed-forward layers. Okay, so this is in English. Now let me summarize in Hindi. Summarize in Hindi language. Now this also converted into the Hindi. जरूर यहाँ हिंदी में सारांश दिया गया है। अटेंशन ऑल यू नीड 2017 नामक पेपर गूगल द्वारा प्रकाशित किया गया था, जिसमें ट्रांसफॉर्मर आर्किटेक्चर का परिचय दिया गया है। इस आर्किटेक्चर में दो मुख्य भाग है, एक एनकोडर और एक डिकोडर. सो दिस इज सी हाउ दिस मॉडल इज डूइंग फैंटास्टिकली. इवन आई कैन ऑल्सो disconnect the internet connection, even I can put my phone in aeroplane mode, still this model will work, right? So let me show you one more thing. So we have seen the text, we have seen the images, also we have seen the audio. Now let me show you the real agentic skills. So when I click on the agentic skills, okay, and I will use the same models, Gemma for 4 billion parameters, and then you can create a skills for the agents, and agent will work on that. So in this I will show you already predefined skills that are given in this applications, right? So they have given default skills like interactive map, kitchen adventures, calculate hash, text spinner. So let me show you the text spinner. So what the agentic skill will call the spin Gemma on my head. So the word Gemma will be detected my head and it will spin on my head, right? So this model loading the skill of text spinner, it is describe the spin the given text on my head. Now the given text will be passing through a label in the data. So you can see it is called the JavaScript, and data in the label it will passing through the Gemma, and you can see this is Gemma on my head. If I rotate my head, and then it will already on my head. Okay, so it will detect my head position and put it the Gemma, spin the Gemma on my head. So this is the skill that I would like to show with you. So download the Google AI Edge Gallery, install these two models and start using it. These models, once you do in aeroplane mode, it will work on that also. So there is no internet connection needed. It will already downloaded in your mobile devices, and you see how it is fast. Okay, so this is what I would like to show with you through the demos. It will run in your mobile, simple mobile, right? So this is so much powerful, in it is a open source model. Okay, so thank you so much. So this is what I would like to show you in live demonstration, how the small models on your mobile can perform very well, fast, is multi-modals kind of things, working on images, audios and other things. So this is what chota packet bada dhamaka, chota packet bada dhamaka. So the future of AI will be transforming from cloud to our pocket, right? Cloud to pocket. So you need to understand the shift, starting from the chat GPT to right now agentic AI, right? You need to understand the shift. Now by introducing this kind of models, small tiny models, by embedding on the devices, now you think that how the device will be intelligent in the futures, right? So that's it from this video. I hope you love this video, like this video and subscribe this channel. See you, take care.